Hello guys, welcome back to next video. This is part 4. In this part we are just looking around simple program doing arithmetic operations with it, and we are just creating one small applications and just looking around the coding and stuff. Here we are just creating one label called enter number, first number. We are just inputting this number by using input type text, giving this first number. We are just creating second label for inserting second number. We are just giving this type as a number to inserting only numeric value. We are creating here one button variable by name. This for add two numbers, for add num button. If we are just created a code over here, we are just written here is set method to check whether the post will getting our add number buttons value or not. Here we assign value, submit, same value. We have to add this all in form tag. We have to assign here method post or get any you can use it. I am using here method post. Here we are just adding two numbers by you can just encode all the variable getting with extract $_post method. You don't have to write down like this. You don't have to write down this. By just adding this line, you can just extracting all the post variables by this single line. We need here a resultant value to print result. Here we are just passing result to particular result variable echo $result var. We are just adding result value by just passing first number plus arithmetic operation plus second number. We are just looking the output. How here we will just get one notice because the result var is not declared, so that we have to declare it, or we can just input @ here for null variables, undefined variables. We are just getting this. Here we are just passing two numbers 10 plus 50 add. Here we are just getting the result 60, but my values of text boxes are lost, so that we can just create one simple trick for this. Just add here value PHP tag echo. We have to add same $post first number, same for second number, and we are just getting the values also at the text box. We can just add this. We are just getting the result. This is just a post, that's why it is not showing in the your URL. If there will be the get method, then it will look like this. If I will just run this code by using get, then the all variables will come in the URL. It is a bad practice to use get. So just use and prefer to post. It will conduct more data as compared to get. So just get post methods are secure to send and data to particular pages. You can just use action also here. Action purpose is for to create one page for doing the PHP code. You can just write down all PHP code in simple one page, and just by passing the click events to particular page, you can just pass here SQL page. Consider SQL arithmetic operation .php. We are just creating this page to just our PHP operations will do in this page, and we are just getting the result here. If we will just call this page 10 plus 40, then we will just get the result, but it will just occurs to the particular second page. It will just goes to this page, SQL arithmetic operations, and then the result will be come back to, we can just window that location to this particular page and then get back the result. But that is just two steps of operations. So we are just for single page applications, we are just creating by using method directly, not providing the action variable there. We can just go and create multiple functions also by add, subtract, division, and then multiplication. We have to just create these if conditions as per your arithmetic operation here, like here you can just getting this stuff like this. You can just add, you can just subtract, you can just divide, you can just multiply all the variables by just creating the name variables. As per you just have to create the if statements as along the if set method, and you can just getting the results as per it. This is how simple it is.